since nagsiset tayo ng intention ngayong taon na to, it's important to have clarity of intention. Ano ba yung purpose or ano ba yung reason kung bakit gusto mo yung isang bagay? Or siguro simulan natin na ano ba talaga yung gusto mo na mangyari ngayong taon na to? 'Di ba? Lalong-lalo na particularly when it comes to your finances. Kung hindi ka pa tapos doon sa pagseset mo ng intention or goals or yung mga New Year's resolution mo, be very very specific about how you want your finances to improve this 2024. Dapat ganun ka-clear. Kung meron ka ng certain figure in mind as far as the income that you're going to generate this year, o kaya naman yung amount of savings that you want to see in your bank account, either on a monthly basis yan, quarterly, or even at the end of the year, dapat clear ka na rin yan. Kung sasabihin mo na 1 million, then go ahead, write it down. Ang importante is clear sa'yo. How much do you want to create or how much abundance do you want to create for your life and for your family this year?